Here we go again with channel impersonation. I'm just going to try to make it a little more obvious. Dear Scott Cohn, when you're impersonating someone's channel, don't just screenshot the blasted icon. The icon isn't always round. You're an idiot. Next, we hover over the icon, and the original one there, it's obviously going through archive.org and archive.is, now that we are using archives. It led to a channel that ended in C8SA as the last 4 digits. Meanwhile, Dazza the Cameraman's link actually goes to Dazza the Cameraman, the user channel. And of course, this is being used to try to damage the reputation of somebody on YouTube and doing a very bad job of it because, again, you fail at impersonating YouTube channels. So let's go on to the next page in a minute here, shall we? So here's the archive today, and archive.fo and stuff like that will have it. And there it is, C8SA. And as you can see, something's amiss because it starts off with the icon for Daz's channel, again, made round instead of square. I'm not going to do a flat earth, round earth joke. And then it has Vortex, Voices of Reason, etc. But there's some other icons there that aren't normally there. So let's look at them. A bunch of videos from Planet X News, Scott Cohn. And it still says Planet X Investigations. Before that, it had a different channel name, obviously. This is the text version of it, just in case you were not able to read that. And here it is again. And here it is, fully confirmed to Dazza the Cameraman. I'm surprised you didn't misspell it, Scott. And again, he did a screenshot of the background image because Scott is too incompetent to even impersonate a channel correctly. And again, C8SA at the top edge. Now, do you remember when Scott Cohn had a YouTube channel that ended in C8SA? Well, Pepperidge Farms remembers, and so does freaking Bing. So I archived that because I feel like being a giant flaming jerk. So here it is. There's the archive there. So let's see. Skywatcher Matt Rogers from UK and the Nibiru channel. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you can't erase this. There's the Doctor, Claudia Alber's icon. There's your live stream. It says Quake Watch and stuff like that, but Planet X News is in there mostly. Planet X News research, not related videos. Videos from the channel, right? Okay, let's try this one. This is the Social Blade page, which has a notoriously long lag to it, and the last time it had an icon, it had that lady's face in there. As far as they knew about it, it had 252 uploads and 885 subscribers the last time it recorded it. And remember, again, let's see there, it says C8SA. And it records it. And yes, there's a history button if anybody wants to go look for it. But, you know, it's just a theory so far. But of course, you've noticed there's something amiss. The total grade is blank, and it says negative 631 views for the last. What's going on here? Oh, it's real simple. Scott got caught doing the same thing I'm doing here. In fact, I've stolen most of these links from Dazza and went ahead and just erased his channel. And then he says, see guys, this is the crap we go through. It's a screenshot. It was just emailed to me by Dr. Albers. No, it wasn't, Scott. You're a liar. And it says, Dazza the Cameraman just obtained Albers' medical records from Wits University. I noticed you erased the square icon that would confirm that you did a bad job faking his account. But let's look at how many copies of this exist. Various ways of doing it. Now I'm going to show you the worst and most damning piece of evidence about this whole thing that I can show you. And I want you to brace yourself for how absolutely disgusting and vomit-worthy it is. This is the raw Facebook page because he hasn't learned to block it from being visible. And the most disgusting part of it is, this is the response of the people in the comment section even after David Gregg showed up and showed them they were lied to.